Jinzhou Layer Group Company Limited are aiming to create a one-stop production service system for veneer stone retaining blocks and wall coping, etc. Molds available for ledge stone, veneer bricks, drying stacking stone, cobblestone is working with its matched plastic palette, and the molds with the design of extra edge to fit the plastic palette 100%. Also, palette can be interlocked and stacked together with air ventilation structure. Molds showroom for the veneer stone molds. First, the bottom color. Concrete color. Mix the different color volume and stir into the concrete material. This will keep the final stone have a stronger and multiple color performance. Second, surface color. Spring color. This part includes 2 to 5 different ingredient color. Each ingredient color will be mixed more than 5 basic colors. This will achieve special ingredient color on the final veneer stone. Post preparation for production. Semi-automatic production line presentation for veneer stone. Raw material feeding into the mixer and water supply, then mixing for 10 minutes. PLC screen touch cabinet. With function of time and weight dosing mode, it will make the concrete casting be easier and more accurate. Do more manpower saving. Surface color spring work. Do the spot spraying by the mixed ingredient color at first, and then do the full spraying to cover all the most part. Floating the concrete and stacking on the pallet. Faster drying chamber. Drying heater. Demolding the stone from the silicone molds. Beautiful veneer stone. Crush the unqualified stone for recycling use. Place the stone on the floor to make the pattern complete. Plastering the wall to a pitted surface and mark the line to keep the horizontal line by measuring tools. Glad the veneer stone on the wall pieces by pieces. NYA Group is offering a complete one-stop production